It is important to carefully select and prepare your site properly for your modular building installation to avoid delays and additional costs. Access to the site is an important step to consider prior to the delivery of your mobile modular, such as site-specific training, access codes, and more. Communicate these requirements to your mobile modular representative prior to delivery. Making sure the installation site and surrounding area is free of any obstructions prior to delivery, such as fences, trees, utility boxes, overhead power lines, or additional buildings. Any utilities or power lines and sources need to be deactivated or marked, and take all necessary actions, including contacting utility companies if required. Please provide the permitted work hours on your job site to your mobile modular representative to coordinate project delivery and installation timeframes. Determine who will be the point person on site to meet the installation team on the day of delivery. By letting us know ahead of time of any permanent obstructions, we can work with you to devise an alternative installation plan. Identify in what orientation the buildings will be set, tow bar, HVAC location, and mark those locations on the ground. Identify and mark underground utility information to avoid damage from anchoring, etc. Arrange for matting or any other necessary precautions. Identify what type of finished surface will be provided for the building, such as dirt or asphalt. What is the load-bearing capacity based on its thickness? Will need to be dry, compacted, and level. Is the site on a slope? Take necessary actions to avoid any adverse effects on utilities, such as plumbing. Ensure that the proposed site has proper drainage in place for water runoff. Identify if you have power available at the location of your modular, or if you need a temporary power pole or generator. Determine if the mobile modular can be transported to the desired location via a hauler, or if they may need to be craned in place. Identify where the hitches, HVAC, and electrical panels will be located on the building. This will determine if extra site work will be needed. Are water and plumbing nearby to connect to your modular? Are all utilities readily accessible for installation and service? Mobile Modular can provide temporary power, holding tanks, as well as help with your utilities connections. Speak to your sales rep for more information. Following these site preparation tips will put you on the path to a seamless installation. Your project is our commitment. Check with your Mobile Modular specialist for additional region-specific requirements and codes.